Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can earn a gift card from Amazon, Google Play, PayPal Cash, and a Steam gift card. Alright, so stick around and find out how you can get your free gift card with this app. I promise you guys, no lie. Alright guys, so welcome back to this sponsor video for PlayMoba. If you don't know what PlayMoba is already, don't worry, I will show you and explain to you exactly what this app is all about. But I'm just going to tell you, this is slowly becoming one of my favorite apps. PlayMoba is your ultimate one-stop information source for top mobile games, okay? It contains the latest news, reviews, previews, cheats, walkthroughs, and strategies, game trailers, offers, gift packages, and a lot more that I can't even go into, guys, because this video is not long enough for that. So no joke, everything that I mentioned you can get directly in this app, guys. I promise you, it's crazy, but it's real. PlayMoba is also a great way to discover all the coolest, newest games. Alright, so let's take a look really quickly here, guys. And as you can see, I am on the front page right now, and as soon as you enter in, you have all the latest information, all the latest games recommended. Alright, so first of all, let's just scroll down a little bit here, and I'm scrolling too fast. But if you are a 2K 18 fan, you can just go in there right now. It will send you all of the latest, look at this, all of the latest tips, reviews, quick previews, trailers. Anything that you can imagine about the game is right here. You just click on it, and then you can go ahead and you can install the game and play yourself if you enjoy it. That's something that a lot of people might like. Planet versus Zombies, another great game that a lot of people like. Right, so I'm gonna scroll down here. As you can see, there's Mobile Legends. Every mobile game will be here, guys. All right, so don't worry about ever missing any game. They have daily high quality games from a team of expert editors. All right, so not to worry. This has been edited by the professionals, so you're gonna get the best advice, okay? And every game that's recommended, guys, is played, tested, evaluated before they put it up, so don't worry, they're not just gonna put up junk up here. It's only the best games for you guys. Plus, you'll be able to discover new games on PlayMoba easily without your endless searching through the Play Store. This is very simple. You just go in here, guys. These are your latest ones, and then you can also just search. You got the top charts here, so very quickly go to the top charts. You can check out what games are at the top, rankings, everything like that. Discover is another source where you're gonna find a lot more different features, a lot more different titles that you can search up here, and also you can go ahead and you can recommend your own game, guys. All right, so we'll get into that in just a little bit. For now, let's just keep scrolling here. So we have the Discover page here. Then you can earn. So what are the ways to earn points, you might ask, right? So first of all, as soon as you log in, you automatically get your daily coins, right? That's one way. Second way is you can recommend. Right at the top here, click on this button here, game title, as you can see, a short description. All I really want is you to describe the game, how it works, what you like about it, and things of that sort, right? So that's two ways right there. Another way to earn points is go right into the earn section here, and you're gonna have different types of categories, right? So you can invite friends right here and get rewarded 2,000 points per friend. That's a lot of points right there. There's also ways to earn points by sharing. You can share pages, share games on your pages, Facebook page, all over the place. That's another way to earn points. There's points by playing games, right? Testing them out, maybe giving them feedback on the games. So all you really have to do is just complete a few easy tasks, and then you earn your way up to a bunch of points, and then you can take those points and then exchange them for a gift card and use the gift card in your game however you please to use it. Okay, it's pretty nice. So let's take a look at what are the options for cards. You have your Amazon cards here, and these are your coins, your PlayMoba coins that you can change for the rewards, right? There's 20, 30, 40, $50, $100 there. You have your Google Play gift card here as well. Now the coins add up over time, all right? So believe me, you can definitely rack up the coins. And this is a great way if you can't really afford to play some games, because a lot of these games get expensive. This is your best option, guys. Believe me, this is the best option that you're gonna have to kind of work your way up to earning some points, and then spending your coins for a gift card that you can spend on whatever game you like. So it's very exciting. This app makes it really easy for you to earn points and earn money. and all you gotta do is play games. How hard is that? Alright guys, that'll about do it for me for Play Mobile. I hope you guys enjoy this app, man. I really do. I mean, come on. They're going to freaking give you free gift card just by doing some easy, you know, daily tasks. That's pretty nice, man. You gotta give it up to them. All you really gotta do is play games. And people say this all the time, man. I wish I could get paid for playing games. Well, this is your way to do it, guys. It's very easy and it's very fun. Just keep signing on daily, play your games, and have fun. So I'm going to leave a link in my description for you guys to go ahead and download this link. Alright guys, go ahead, try it out, let me know what you think, and I hope you actually build up enough points and spend it wisely, guys. Spend it on Soul Hunters, get yourself the latest hero. I'll catch you guys next time.